Hi everyone, welcome to SLiK Nails. We're doing an ombre with powders and we're creating a traffic light effect to give a lovely holiday feel. We are using Naio's acrylic pigment powders and we are doing some lining work with a striping brush using just black acrylic paint. As you can see, I'm starting to buff up the nail, wiping this over and applying Blue Sky base coat, curing all these gels for approximately 45 to 60 seconds in an LED, 2 minutes in a UV. Here you can see the different colours that I'm using. So using a makeup applicator, all you want is just a small amount on the applicator and you're just patting that into the gel polish. So we haven't wiped this off, so we've left the sticky layer on there and that is what we're applying the pigment to. So we're going from the green to the yellow and overlapping those colours. Now you can do this as many times as you like. I'll be doing this approximately 3 times to get the desired depth of colour that you're looking for. But it is so simple and really quick and really effective. So dust off the excess once you've applied all the colour and then apply again another layer of base coat. And cure that again. And then go in with a next layer of colour. So again, patting that into the uncured dispersing layer of the gel residue. And remember to overlap those colours so that they start to ombre. So here you can see we're doing a third coat just to get a bit more depth. And I've done it in this order so that it blends more evenly. So wiping off the sticky layer and then buffing with a white block just to remove the surface shine only so that we can do the design. So all I'm doing here is just black acrylic paint, watered down and with a very fine brush creating some palm trees. Look at this brush was playing with me on that day. Don't forget folks, no art is perfect. Any mistakes, they'll all add to the artwork. So just creating actual palms. Don't worry if any of your palms are too heavy or something because you can just adjust them. And as I say, no art is perfect. No leaf is ever perfect. So just touching in very, very lightly with the tip of the brush just to create the fringes of the palm leaves. What I've tried not to do is turn the tip around. But when you're working with a client, you can't turn the finger around all the time and put it in the position where you want it. So I've tried to keep the tip as it would be if it was an actual finger. So just adding representation of birds. And there we have it, top coat with Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. Again cure, 45 seconds LED, 2 minutes in the UV. And look at that, with the power of editing, that's already cured. Job done. So thank you for watching everyone. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Please also find me on Facebook and Instagram as SLiK Nails. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye!